Nilaser pa. Sorry, steal. No good. Rebound by Jackley. Jackley? No good. Rebound by.
May 5 ka dyan. Ay, meron. Thank you. Rex, salamat.
Salamat, Rex.
Basket? Hindi.
No good. Ollie. Spinning. Shot. No good. Rebound by Harry. Catalino. Toneri. 17 seconds shot clock. Catalino. 12 seconds to shoot. Taking 3. No good. Rebound by Miles. To Jackley. Jackley tumaat all alone, skying 2 points. Yancy, Miles.
Mahaba siya.
16. Saisepi. Block shot. Foul. Foul by jersey number 14. Next, solid.
Mahaba nung galamay niya
17 seconds shot clock. 17 seconds. Kenneth, block. Block by Yamaha. 2 points. Kurt. All 2. Jackley. 15 seconds to shoot. Jeru taking 3. 3. Jeru. Moncosera. Naka-shoot?
Hindi.
Wala. Hindi na-shoot.
Kasi nakaharang eh.
Nakaharang kasi. No good. Hindi mo ba? Yagi. 15 seconds to shoot. Catalino sa ilalim. 2 points. Catalino. 5-4. Lamang ang Team G. Foul. First team foul. No good. Rebound by Lex. 2 points. Lex solid. 7-4. Steal. Jackley. No good. Rebound by Terpite. 15 seconds to shoot. Foul. Second team foul. 6 minutes and 55. Taking 3. No good. Rebound by Kurt. 6 minutes and 47. Kurt. Mangkuhanay. Out of bounds. Good ball. Up out. Foul. 7 minutes and 4. Out of bounds. Out of bounds. Okay. 2-0. Team foul. Taking 3. No good. Rebound by Mangkuhanay. 12 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. 6 minutes and 20 seconds. 8 seconds. Steal by Matt all alone. No good. To Jackley. 2 points. 9-4. Jackley, come. 6 minutes exactly on the clock. No good. Rebound by Lex. Good ball. Good ball. 2 points. Jeru. 11-4. 5 minutes and 40. Crossover move by number 16. 17 second shot.